Hey guys, this is Brent with Western Equipment. We're here today with our next video in the Mowing Acre series. So if you haven't seen one of our Mowing Acre series videos before, this is a series where we take a brand new John Deere lawnmower out to this acre of grass every week to see just how well and how fast we can mow this acre with these different mowers. Now the intent of this video is to give you some sort of gauge to see what size of mower and what size of deck you might need for your operation. So what we're working with today is a 2020 John Deere S240 with a 48-inch XL deep deck. This mower is powered by an 18.5 horse Kawasaki V-twin engine. It's got a top travel speed of 5.5 miles an hour. So like I said, we're gonna take this out here, see just how fast we can mow this grass. I'm gonna be really putting my foot down, really seeing how fast we can get it going, mowing at its very top speed. But right here, let's talk, this is where we talk a little bit about conditions. It's about 85 degrees out. The grass is, just starting to kind of come up. This is gonna be the first cutting that we've done this year. So as you can see, it's a little bit spotty, but as you can see also, we've got a lot of tall stuff here. So like we do, I'm gonna stick my pin down in the ground. You can see those are coming, I'd say on average about midway up the pin clip there. So if we take it out and measure this, we're gonna be looking at close to 4.5 inches. So we're gonna be cutting off just a little over an inch. We always do these with the mower set at 3 inches. That way we're consistent across all of these videos. So now what we'll do is I'll hop on the mower here, start it up, let you hear just how it sounds. Then I'll make a pass here where you can see the clip disbursement, and then I'll continue mowing and start the timer. So hopping on here, guys. Very comfortable mower, by the way. It's got this wider seat. We got that open back seat for a little bit of that breathing room. You can also check out a full walk around of this mower right up here. But from here, guys, I'll go ahead and start this mower up. Put about mid throttle, push the choke up. I'll go ahead and release my parking brake here so we're ready to go. That's kind of at mid idle there, guys. I go all the way up to run speed. You can hear it really wrap up there. So what I'll do now here, guys, I'll dial back just a little bit. Go ahead and engage these blades. Here we'll dial back up. I'll go ahead and go cut this strip so you guys can see that clip disbursement. I'm also going to drop my mower down here to 3 inches. As I'm doing this, guys, you can really watch and see how that deck is cutting there. And I'm going to go ahead here and start my time and keep on mowing. right, guys, so that was the end of our Mowing Acre with the John Deere S240 with the 48-inch XL deep deck. So we'll go ahead and check our time here and stop, and we're at 40 minutes and 11 seconds. So guys, that's going to be very comparable. I think that actually beats our time on a comparable mower, which would be the John Deere E150, which is actually a step down from the S240 series. It's going to also have the 48-inch deck. A couple differences though is this is going to be the XL deep, so it's a little deeper, a little thicker, heavier deck meant to handle more material. And then also on the E150, it's going to have a Briggs & Stratton engine, whereas this tractor here had the 18.5 horse Kawasaki. Overall, very comparable. One thing that I would say that was much improved in this mower is going to be the ride quality, as in here in the operator station. Guys, this premium wide seat, 2-piece open back, had a great ride quality. I'm a bigger guy, about 280, so I really put these seats to the test. And one thing I would definitely attest to is these rubber isolators back here. You know, in the E-Series mowers, you have the springs, which make for a really soft ride, but also provide a lot of bounce, whereas these are a lot more solid, a lot more weight distributed there. But overall, guys, like I said, very good cut quality. I know this grass looks super smooth and it is a nice flat yard, but keep in mind that the armadillos and the gophers and stuff have really been tearing this up. So as I'm going out across it, it's definitely bumpy. But if you look across, very smooth clipping disbursement. You don't see any scalping spots, and I'll definitely accredit that to the fact that we did adjust our anti-scalping wheels. Very important whenever you're going to be on an uneven, bumpy yard. Like I said, we were cutting at 3 inches, so we made sure to drop these down to the 3 to 4 position. So that definitely made for a great ride quality. I definitely enjoyed this mower. If I was a homeowner, in that, half an acre to 1 acre, I would definitely look into this. You get some of those premium quality features as a step up from that E. So guys, if you're interested in looking at some of those other mowers, looking at some more of these Mowing Acre series, definitely check out the link below. We'll provide that so you can check those out. Also guys, if you're looking into this mower or you have one of these mowers and need parts for it, or for any of your other John Deere mowers, make sure to check out our other link below here, or visit us at west-equip.com/parts. As always, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.